The Consumer Sentinel Network analytics system for law enforcement, empowering law enforcement to protect consumers, a collaboration between the Federal Trade Commission and Leidos. Consumer fraud is a major problem for U.S. consumers. In 2017, consumers reported losing more than $900 million in fraud, but the unreported cost of fraud is much higher, according to one study, billions of dollars. To protect the public, law enforcers need to hear from consumers. The Consumer Sentinel Network, or Sentinel, is a resource the Federal Trade Commission developed to help law enforcement officials across the country tap into consumer reports about fraud, identity theft, and other bad experiences in the marketplace. Here's how it works. Sentinel gathers millions of consumer fraud, identity theft, and other reports into a secure online database. Law enforcement officials can become Sentinel members at zero cost to access these first-hand narrative reports from consumers. And law enforcement can use the database to mine information for fraud investigations, build cases against suspected law violators, and return money back to consumers. In 2017, Leidos collaborated with FTC to transform Sentinel into an advanced data analytics platform. The collaborative design process focused on developing an intuitive user experience with more efficient access to complaint data. Sentinel searches are now more powerful and informative than ever. The system can sort results efficiently and quickly highlight trends. Sentinel's state-of-the-art graph analytics makes complex relationships easy to understand. Never miss a key connection buried in the data. And with Sentinel Spotlight, insights are delivered straight to the user automatically. Set parameters of interest and let the system update you on new developments. The Sentinel transformation delivers advanced analytics capabilities to busy law enforcement professionals and enables them to gather evidence by providing an intuitive user experience that does not require data science expertise to use the system. Sentinel is an intelligent and adaptive system that puts the data to work, saving law enforcement time and effort. Law enforcers can use this free tool to be more efficient in stopping frauds and can use the data to drive their investigations and priorities. When fraud rates climb, law enforcement has millions more victims to serve and crimes to solve. Sentinel is the edge they need to catch fraud earlier and protect more consumers from harm. Since the Sentinel enhancements deployed last year, their efficiency and insight have become indispensable for many users across the country. Here's a brief snapshot of how law enforcement professionals have seen Sentinel transform the fight against consumer fraud in their own words. Our successful transformation of Sentinel ensures more fraudsters are caught and more consumers are protected. Thank you for considering the Sentinel Analytics System for the 2018 ACT-IAC Igniting Innovations Award.